Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you are doing well. So for those of you that have just joined my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already subscribed and are already following me on my journey, you will already know that at present I am currently going through a redundancy. And what that means is that I've been working for a company for the last 5 years, and they have basically told me that my role has now been dissolved, will no longer exist, and I'm going to be made redundant. So as part of that, I'm going through a redundancy process which lasts 45 days. Now at the moment, what I'm hoping for is that the company that I work for will release me early, that they will basically give me gardening leave. Now, as part of my meeting, my second consultation yesterday, I basically pitched for the idea of would they grant me gardening leave. Now, why have I done that? Well, the truth of the matter is that as long as I'm attending work every day, it's going to be very difficult for me to focus on job searching and concentrating on my other entrepreneurial projects. So that's the reason why I've done that. So that's the first thing. Now, the second thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, or wanted to share with you guys, is that this morning I woke up and I had this crazy wild idea. And the crazy wild idea was really to set myself a challenge. And what I'm hoping from this challenge is really to test my ability to be resourceful, and also to prove not only to myself but to you guys that it is possible to generate income online. Now, obviously my aim first and foremost is to generate income passively. That's the first thing. But I also believe that if you educate yourself and you do the research, it is more than possible to generate income online. And I know you guys have faith in that, because you wouldn't be following me on my journey, or you wouldn't be stumbling across my channel if that wasn't the case. So what's the challenge, I hear you guys ask? Well, this is where it gets interesting. I have basically given myself the challenge of raising £3,000 in 1 month. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Now, I haven't thought of the detail. I just basically thought of the number and I thought of the time frame, and that's what I came up with. And to make it more interesting is that the way that I'm going to do that is online. Okay, so I'm going to basically use everything that I know, all the resources that I have, to really help me generate £300, and that could be passive. As long as it's online, I'm all good. But that is basically my challenge. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is that I guess I want to hold myself accountable, but also give a commitment to you guys that I can do it and I'm going to follow through with it. So that is the challenge. I'm going to generate £3,000 in 1 month, i.e. 4 weeks. Now, for those of you that are watching from the States, I think that's equivalent to just under $4,000. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. I'm going to document every step of the way, and I'm also going to make sure that I show you invoices so that you can see firsthand that I'm not making this up, that I am generating what I say I am generating. Okay, so I'm going to document that on my channel, so make sure that you follow me on this journey, because it's going to be interesting. And the reason why I'm doing this, again, is really just to prove to myself and prove to you guys that if you put your mind to it and you focus, anything is possible. And also I believe it's going to really encourage and force me to find ways of generating that income. Because the truth of the matter is, if I don't find ways of generating income online, I am going to have to work full time. Now, for me, that's pain. All right, and that's the pain that I'm attaching, and this is the reason why it's going to be important for me to set this challenge and follow through with it. Okay, so I wanted to share that news with you guys. Like I said, the next videos that I'm going to be shooting is going to be documenting my journey, not only through my whole redundancy process, but also in terms of my challenge, how I'm going to get started. I'm going to give you the time frame, and you're going to go, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me every step of that way, And yeah, it's going to be fun, it's going to be exciting, it's going to be fun, and it's going to be insightful. If you do like this video, then please do hit that like button, and also leave a comment. You guys are great support for me, and I am a strong believer of sharing ideas. So if you think that I'm crazy, or if you think it's a great idea, and if you want to also do something similar, then reach out to me. We can help each other out. Okay, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, make sure you hit that little bell icon, that little notification icon, so that every time I put out a video, you will hear about it first. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care. Always signing out. Bless.